Welcome back to the Uprise, everybody, where we are rising up together for positive change. So today I wanted to talk about something that everybody goes through, everybody has. Some people don't have as much as they want, other people have plenty of it, and I think the majority of it is a learning process for everybody. But the big thing is patience. Patience. Me personally, I struggle with patience. I really do. There's a lot of things that I want in life, out of life, all of it, you name it. And I have a struggle with the patience to get there. The struggle is real. So patience is difficult because everything we do in our daily lives requires it. And obviously we can learn to have more. It really does require a lot of mental energy and a lot of mental awareness to say, it's gonna be alright, you're gonna get there, just have some patience. Just be okay with what you're doing right now, and you'll get there. Obviously, it's something that you can learn to do over time. And even thinking about patience and learning to be better at having it is still a thing where I don't have enough patience for that. So really, it's going to be a struggle to get through, but I will do it. And I know you can too. So if you just stick with it and take the opportunity at every moment, every time you're challenged with patience, take the opportunity to remind yourself, this is what I'm doing, this is where I'm at, this is how far I've gotten, this is where I'm going, I will get there. As long as I'm trying, I will get there. I know I can do it, and I know you guys can do it, so let's stick together and do this. Please subscribe, slap that bell icon, leave a like and a comment below. I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on patience. I want to know what your challenges are and what you do to overcome them. You can also find me on Twitter at peasantuprising, or I think it's uprising peasant. Anyway, you'll see it. It'll be down here somewhere. Also on Instagram, peasant_uprising_. We can definitely connect on those platforms. So I invite you to come along, join me, share this with other people. Let's really grow this thing big. I want your experiences and your opinions. I want your feelings and your emotions about these subjects. Let's really band together so that we can help each other. That's what this is all about. Helping each other. That's the great thing about the era that we live in. We can now connect. I could be in the middle of Antarctica right now. As long as I got an internet connection, you can find out what I'm doing. So, this is the best time to really reach out and come together, even if we're not physically near each other. So let's do this. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you in the next one. I'm also all right. Let me get myself situated. That voice crack though. You know. Stop saying, you know. Layla, help me out. Come here. You want to say hi? Yeah, you're big. Big kitty. Say hi to the folks. Say hello. There's a camera over there too. I know, that's not a good spot. Here, rest your arms. There you go. Say hello. Hello. Thanks for visiting the channel, Layla. I'm sure we'll be hearing more from her during this filming. And we can... She's so furry. Sorry. Now she's rubbing on everything around here. So, good. And I want to know what your challenges and your... Oh crap! Battery's dying! Ah! Not really. Snap.